Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss some problems in revision. The question number 1 is let A is equal to set of x such that x is a factors of 20. Factors of 24. Then find cardinal number of A. Okay, what is the question, Nana? Let A is equals to set of x such that x is a factors of 24. Then find the cardinal number of A. Okay, now the set in set builder form. This A form lo undra set builder form. Okay, now I am going to write this one in roster form. So in roster form, set A is equal to, what are the factors of 24? 24 factors enti? We know ante 1 is a factor of 24 because of 1 24s are 24. Like that only 2 also factor of 24, that is 2 12s are 24. 3 also factor of 24, 3 8s are 24. Next 4 also factor of 24, 4 6 are 24. And 6 also 6 4s are, 8 also 8 3s are, and 12 2s are, and as well as 24 and itself. Is it clear? So these are the factors of 24. I written in set builder form ni roster form lo rasana. I written in this form. Now the cardinal number of set A. Is set ki cardinal number endana? How many elements are there? How many distinct elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The cardinal number of set A is what? That is 8. Okay, so we can write like this. Now the second question, let B is equals to x such that x is a composite number. X is a composite number, x less than 13. Okay, Nama? What is the question? Set B is equals to x such that x is a composite number, x less than 13. Now again it is given in set builder form. I am going to write this one in roster form. Set B is equals to, that is the composite numbers less than 13. We know composite numbers means what, Nana? A number having more than 2 factors, that is called a composite number. So we know that the first composite number is 4. Then after next one is 6. Next one is 8. Next one is 9, 10, 12. Less than 13 means, so these are the possible composite numbers less than 13. Okay, now so like this we can write in roster form. Okay, now the another question is given here. Write all the possible subsets of A. Question number 3. Let A is equals to A comma B comma C. Write all possible subsets of A. Okay, now clearly we know we would have a one statement. It's a very important, Nana. a set containing n elements. A set containing n elements has 2 power n subsets. A set containing n elements has 2 power n subsets and 2 power n minus 1 proper subsets. So this is the condition. So by using this condition, you see,
Okay.
so now the given set A is equals to, that is A comma B comma C. Okay, now what is the number of elements, Nana? How many elements or members are there? N of A is equals to, that is equals to 3, and the cardinal number of A is equals to what? 3. Then if you want the subsets of the set A, that is what, Nana? 2 power n. If you want subsets of set A is equals to, that is 2 power n, means that is 2 power n place lo how many elements are there here? 3 elements. Then 2 power 3 means what, Nana? That is 8. Ante a set A has 8 subsets. A set A ki enni subsets unnai? 8 subsets. What are they means? You now see. First, I am writing the subsets of set A, that is A, B, C, next A comma B, B comma C, and C comma A. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we get. And every set would have a statement, every set is a subset of itself. That's why A comma B comma C, this is also a subset of itself only. And as well as pi is the subset of every set. Pi is the subset of every set. Okay now students? So now how many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write the subsets like this. If you want the proper subsets, these are the subsets. If you want the proper subsets, that is proper subsets of set A, that is equals to, except itself, adi kaakunda the remaining are 2 power n minus 1. This is the proper subsets formula. 2 power 3 minus 1, 2 power 3 means that is 8 minus 1, that is equals to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we can write the subsets like that and proper subsets like this. Okay. Okay students, now the question is given like this. If A is equal to x such that x is a factor of 12 and set B is equals to x such that x is a factor of 6, find A union B and A intersection B. Find A union B and A intersection B. Now see, set A is equals to x such that x is a factor of 12. What are the factors of 12? We know that 1 1 12s are 12, 2 2 6 are 12, 3 3 4s are 12, 4 4 3s are 12, 6 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, and 12 12 1s are 12. So these are the factors of 12. So I written in set builder form లో వచ్చిన దాన్ని roster form లో రాశాను. Then again set b is equals to, I'm going to write the set builder form into roster form. X such that x is a factor of 6. The set b is, what are they? 1 2 3 6. So these are the factors of 6. Now we want to find a union b. We know that A union B, union of sets means what, Nana? X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, na? But the repeated element should be, we should consider it as a single element. Okay, na? Now A means, set A means I am writing it as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12, and set B, union. Set B means that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Then union అన్నప్పుడు మొత్తం అన్నిటినీ కలిపి రాసేయండి. Then it looks like a single set. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Okay na? But the repeated element should be, you should consider it as a single element. 1 2 times, that's why you write 1 time only. 2 also 2 times, 3 also 2 times, 4 1 time only, 6 also 2 times, 12, and 12 1 time. So the A union B is equals to, that is this one. Okay na? And A intersection B, want next what, Nana? A intersection B. A intersection B means
common
X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay na? And we should consider the common elements to the both the sets. Okay na? The elements which are common to both the sets. రెండు sets లో కామన్ ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ని తీసుకోండి. 1 is there, 1, yes, that's why you take it as 1. 2 in this set also 2 is there. 3 in this set also 3 is there. 6. And 4 in this not there. 6 is there. Okay na? And 12 is not there. Then we can write it as A intersection B is equals to like this, 1 2 3 6. Okay na? So we can represent these by using Venn diagram also. Yes or no? See now, it's Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram. I am going to represent this by using Venn diagram. So first of all, you draw a rectangle, that is a universal set, and in that circles, closed curves, set A and set B. The common elements to the both the sets, what are they? That are 1 2 3 6. Except 1 2 3 6, what are the remaining elements? That are 4 and 12. Except 1 2 3 6, what are the remaining elements in this? Not. So then A union B means, that is equals to, we can shade 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4 comma 12. We can shade all like this. Okay na? So for A intersection B means, again draw a rectangle. It is a universal set. Set A and set B. So what are the common elements to the both the sets? They are 1 2 3 6. Except 1 2 3 6 4 12, here not there. And A intersection B, that is equals to 2 3 6. Then you just shade what are the common elements. అది మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ షేడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? So like this we can represent A union B and A intersection B, union of sets and intersection of sets. Okay.